Hi guys, nice to meet again. Let's stir fry winged beans with Sakura shrimps today. I use ready-made Sambal Belacan. Sambal Belacan's brand I used is super delicious. Optional to use your preferred sambal sauce, yeah. Let's start cooking. Sakura shrimps. Sakura shrimps 1 tablespoon. Winged beans. Sambal Belacan. Wash winged beans. Remove both ends of winged beans and slice it. Stir-fry Sakura shrimps until fragrant. Take out half of Sakura shrimp too. Sprinkle on top of winged beans later. Pour in winged beans and stir-fry. Add 2 teaspoons water and stir-fry. One tablespoon Sambal Belacan paste. If you want it spicy, optional to add 2 tablespoons. Salt to add and adjust per sambal sauce you use. No added salt for my recipe because the sambal paste I use is enough saltiness. It's done when winged bean has softened. Pour into plate. Sprinkle fried Sakura shrimp. Can taste crispy Sakura shrimps also. Sakura shrimp winged beans is done. Welcome to Message Me Your winged bean recipe. Let's learn together. It's tastier with Sakura shrimps. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Don't miss out the new video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.